What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. Here we go again in a new video, new tutorial, and I hope you like it. So today we're gonna do a face frame for the people who section their hair or style their hair from the mid of the head. So we're gonna, first thing absolutely we're gonna do is wash the hair, make sure it's totally wet, evenly wet, and we are going to part it from the middle and we start taking the first section. So what you see here is I'm elevating, you see where my elevation is not very high, not very low, just I'm taking the hair, I'm over directing it to the other side. So I'm cutting the right side first, but if you see my body position, I'm standing all the way on the other side, on the left side, and I'm over directing everything's to me, and I'm cutting the hair just blunt, you know. So as you see, my body position is very important. Here I noticed like I have a little bit dryness, like the hair is not very wet, so I just make sure it's evenly wet because this is going to affect the final result. So as you see, I go back and to the other side, I over direct. So here I'm mentioning that I'm using the wide side of the comb because I'm taking more hair and bigger section. So I need to use the wide side to be able to grab all this hair together. As you see right now here, when I'm taking the next section and the section after and after, so look, I'm turning the mannequin to show you how I'm taking the section, and I can't go in front of the camera because I'm filming, so I'm showing you how I'm taking my section, and then I move the head back to the natural position and over direct everything to me, and then I cut it. So when I'm gonna stop cut, when I reach above the ear, you will see the final section. Here I'm going to stop cutting, and then I will move to the other side. So it's very simple, very easy, nothing complicated with this tutorial. Just you comb the way I'm doing it, over direct it to the other side, and here we go. So now as you see, look, you're gonna see from short to long, and wait till you see the final result. You're gonna love it. Now we go to the other side. So what I'm gonna do, for sure, spray a little bit water, make sure evenly wet. I'm gonna take a guideline from the previous section, and this is gonna be my guideline. So I took one section from the first side, which the right side, and this is gonna be my guideline. And I take small section from the left side and over direct it all the way to the other side where I'm standing right now, and I make sure that I'm following my guidelines. So after I cut the first part, I will take the first guideline you will see right now, and I will take it out of my, because I just used it for the first section. After that I don't need it. So now I will, you see here how I'm parting the hair, and I took it away because I don't need it. Now I have a guideline. I will do the same things, copy paste, like I will copy the same thing I did with the right side, of take like a diagonal section as you see, and over direct to me. You see my elevation, very important not to drop your elevation very low, because if you drop it down, what's gonna happen, you start building so much weight and you're gonna lose your consistency. So you don't want to do that. And another thing, use the wide side of the comb when you grab a lots of hair, so you keep the tensions the same. Don't lose the tension, don't lose the consistency. This is very important. Where we are going to stop cutting, when we reach above the ear, here we go. You see this is above the ear. Here we are going to stop. This is going to be the last section, and here we are going to stop cutting. This is the last section I'm gonna cut. After that, I'm going to put some products on the hair and blow dry and do some dry cut, some texturizing, and then we're gonna see the final look. So this tutorial, very easy, but a beautiful effect. So wait till the end, keep watching, enjoy the final result, and I see you soon in a new video, and ciao for now.